Out on the Great Lakes and beyond, Polsteam's bulk carrier Mamry is a familiar sight, a true workhorse of the inland seas, and that is what we're going to be catching right here in Port Colborne. She's just coming out of the canal very shortly and approaching lock number 8. So we'll catch this wonderful vessel as she makes her way into lock 8, hopefully get the drone up, and we'll catch her heading out of Port Colborne. Welcome back to another video. My name is Nigel. I'm also known as a Lake Erie vlogger. I know I've been away for a little bit. I've just been busy with personal stuff, like work. Some of us still have to work for a living. Anyway, I'm back out here getting the great action of the ships here on the Great Lakes, specifically down at the Welland Canal, Lake Erie, and the nearby area. And today, it's a Polsteam. I don't think I've actually ever seen this one come through myself, so first time capturing this particular vessel as it makes its way down to Sarnia.
Mamry, Seaway Welland, over.
Red Seaway the Mamry.
Mamry, Seaway Welland. No inbound traffic. The Victory 1 secured at Wharf 16, check down going past, and the Frontenac secured at Wharf 19 East, check down past, and we'll talk to you at the piers with your ETAs, over.
Okay, very good. Any ETAs for C16?
Mamry, Seaway Welland. Roger, the first ETA for CIP 16 is the McKeel Spirit, due at 1415, over.
Okay, I have that, thank you.
This is the Polsteam Mamry, and she was built back in 2012 at the Mingdi shipyard in Nantong, China. The Mamry is a modern Laker-style vessel designed for both the ocean and seaway service. The Mamry is 190 meters in length, which is 623 feet, and she has a beam of 23.6 meters, which is 77 feet. The Mamry can carry over 30,000 tons of bulk cargo, from grain and coal to steel and fertilizers. She has 6 cargo holds, 6 hatches, and is equipped with 3 deck cranes, each capable of lifting 30 metric tons. Where did the name Mamry come from? Well, MV Mamry is named after Lake Mamry, Jezioro Mamry, one of the largest lakes in northeastern Poland, part of the Mazurian Lake District. the Polsteam Mamry making her way out to Lake Erie. And there she goes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, see you all very soon. Stay safe.